Hey guys, it's Risa. So I've been to a few stores. Yes, I bought a lot of stuff. So my favorite snacks, just a few of them. My Slim Trim popcorn, super delicious, 35 calories per cup. I know. My next favorite are these Godilla light corn snacks. I get them at Sobeys or Walmart. I know they don't carry them in every Walmart, but they're also super low. They're, let's see, 3.5 cups is only 140 calories. So for almost 4 cups, 3.5 cups is 4 smart points. All right, so that I bought a few of those. I've also bought just some Orville Redenbacher. 24 bags. My daughter loves that, but usually I have half a bag and split it with her. I love that as a snack. I found these pretzels. I love pretzels. That's a great snack. You have to measure them out. And let's see what else. I bought some dark frozen cherries from Costco, big frozen bag, and I'm going to do some yummy recipes. Stay tuned. And some frozen peach slices, which I've never seen at Costco before. So I'm excited because I'm also going to do some peach recipes. All right, so what else did I buy? I bought some unsalted pumpkin seeds. I like to have that as a snack. This is not a snack item, but I am going to bake with it with some ricotta light cheese. All right, now I bought the little potatoes from Costco. I love that. And I got a whole chicken because, you know, it just makes life easy sometimes when you just have a barbecue chicken to do different things with. A big bag of my peppers. This was on sale, the trout. Today, a huge piece for $15. That's going to be several meals, and you can freeze that. And you can check out my recipes for how I make my fish. I have several recipes that you can check it out. Love clementines to have as a snack as well. I bought some broccoli, big bags, big bag of spinach, huge cucumbers, and I bought some tomato paste to make some nice sauce with. And I think that's it. So let's see. Popcorn, my Godilla. And I got this huge bottle of pure vanilla at a bulk place called Johnny Vince for you guys in Toronto. $19.99. Really good, super deal. Because at Costco, it's $40. I know. So lots of great stuff for meal prep ideas. Sometimes you need to go to several stores to get what you want. And these are some of my favorite things that I love to buy, and I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa and subscribe on my Facebook and share with people, all right? Take care. Love you guys.